Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're checking out another gel blaster. So they give you a manual, they give you ammo, they give you safety goggles, you got your battery, charger for your battery, your housing unit for the ammo. So this is it, guys. So it appears to have your on off button on the side there, your trigger right here. You put the battery in on the bottom. Very cool looking, guys. But the question is, does it perform or does it fail? So let's test it out. Oh, this definitely gets a pass. So we can hit our garage way out there. Accuracy is very good. If it jams, you just shake it a little bit. Overall, guys, this one definitely gets a pass. Love it. And pass is a good thing. That means it doesn't fail.